that modulus of 7x minus 5 is less than 16 and modulus of 16y plus 11 is also less than 37, and we are told that x and y are integers and we are required to calculate the maximum value of modulus of x plus 7 into modulus of y minus 5. So let us look at both the inequalities. Both of them will give us an interval for x and y, and we'll pick the value of x and the value of y for which the given product is maximized. If you are told that modulus of an expression e is less than a positive number a, it would imply that e is greater than minus a and e is less than a. In this particular case, if you are looking at the given inequality, it is modulus of 7x minus 5 is less than 16. This would imply that 7x minus 5 will lie between minus 16 and plus 16. If you add 5 to all the terms of the inequality, minus 11 will be less than 7x will be less than 21. Now if you divide the entire equation by 7, minus 11 by 7 is less than x is less than 3. We know that x is an integer. So the permissible values for x include minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. Similarly, if you are looking at the second inequality, modulus of 16y plus 11 is less than 37, or 16y plus 11 will be greater than minus 37 and less than 37. Now if you subtract 11 from all the terms of the inequality, minus 48 will be less than 16y will be less than 26. Now you can divide the entire inequality by 16. So minus 3 is less than y is less than 26 by 16. We know that y is an integer, so the permissible values for y will be minus 2, minus 1, 0 and 1. Now what we are required to maximize is modulus of x plus 7 into modulus of y minus 5. Both of them are independent and both of them are modulus. So let us try to maximize each one of them separately. What is the maximum possible value of x plus 7 if x is lying between minus 1, 0, 1 and 2? It will happen if x is equal to 2 and the maximum value of x plus 7 modulus is equal to 9. Similarly, if y is minus 2, minus 1, 0 or 1, what is the maximum possible value of modulus of y minus 5? This will happen if y is minus 2 and y minus 5 will be minus 7 and modulus of that will be equal to 7. So the maximum possible value of the product will be equal to 9 into 7, which is equal to 63. This is the required answer.